So it's not touching any of our levels. It's not touching this level, it's not touching this level. It's consolidating in that range. So till then we don't have a trade. We'll wait for it. It has to come 10 more points down. And we are actually planning for a CE from here. But if it breaks, you can see a very good fall, right? If I go wrong, it will definitely touch 120, right? So let's see what happens. It is, I don't say it's a safe trade, but looking at the overall scenario, uh, the negativity has been factored in, right? So I expect Nifty to take support from here and little bit go up. And if it breaks here, it's a bearish signal for today. It can go somewhere till 1820. I mean 18120 or 18100. But it's neither taking support or resistance at any of the points, just consolidating in between our range. It's rejecting from 20 EMA. So there is a risk involved if you're going for CE, but let's see. Nifty, Reliance, HDFC is falling. Both HDFC and HDFC twins have been. HDFC is down by 1.7 percentage. Okay, IT 1.2, PSC Bank holding, Reliance 1.5, but Nifty is one down by only zero point 0.7 and Bank Nifty 0.37. Okay, we need to reach somewhere this range, at least like 156 or something. So well, let's see. Waiting and waiting. Unfortunately, we couldn't grab this opportunity, and we already have told it. This is an opportunity. It's not because of only because of 200. It's because of our trend line. We only, I mean, we 100% rely on our trend lines. In the sense, we put trend lines on first, and rest of the things we add towards it. Right? If only we have trend lines, we used to enter. Otherwise, if it is a good range, also we don't enter. Right? So it's not reaching to our levels. Let's wait. HDFC is again crashing. It's coming down. It almost touched our range. It's a huge candle. Let's go for it. Let's quickly get out if things goes wrong. Let's put this stop loss. square off. It's risky because risk is involved, but still, let's see. 30, 23. So 1 2 3 is my trigger. 1 2 2. Okay, that's it. So we are safe. Always put uh, you know limit orders, otherwise you won't be booking the stop losses. So it correctly rejected from there, but we don't know whether it's going to sustain or not. If it sustains, it is a trade that can be holded. But we don't know how, we are not sure about how uh, or how much more sell is remaining, how much more bear activity is been remaining. As of now it's rejecting, but if that rejection is not sustaining, it's not safe for us, right? Let's see. It has to trade above this level, 20 EMA, right? And it has to go about 20 EMA and definitely about 80. If that is the situation, we have a hope that at least we'll reach till 200 or 220 ranges, right? And if we break this trend line, that would be really good, right? We can ride it. As of now it's rejecting. There is no big support from bank, only IT and a little bit support from Reliance. The premiums are also not moving that great because it is not a, what do you say, easy day. All right, let's keep it like this and let's watch the price action of the candles. 30, Reliance, not supporting that move. Only bank, HDFC Twins has given a small candle upside. None of them are supporting that move, which is not good for us, right? If it breaks, we'll quickly square it off because if it breaks, it's definitely gonna break hardly because it will reach 120 or somewhere. So it's not safe. We're not getting proper support from others, right? 50. 2 seconds to finish the candle. Very important candle coming up for us. And bank not supporting. HDFC is trying to go up, but other than that, we are not getting any support from anyone else. Let's closely watch it. Try to stay calm. We are ready to give the money to the market if our decision goes wrong. It's absolutely fine to hit SLs. respective results, right? It is struggling. It's not giving a momentum as we have expected because the bank is not, I mean, ICICI is breaking down, and IT also breaking down. That's not a good signal for us. HDFC is giving us hope. Futures volume, at least it has to go above this candle initially, or else this is not that valid. The risk is higher, right? If it at least crosses the previous candle's high, then at least we can expect or hope for the best. Otherwise, the risk still exists. ICICI rejected. IT. Tough market for buyers, right? For sellers, it's fine because it's consolidating. It's good for them. We are struggling. Anybody out there in our channel has taken this trade? Let me check. This is our first day of streaming. Let's see the first day, first trade, how it goes. And whatever be the result, we are fine. We accept it. It is struggling. Bank Nifty has to go above these ranges. That if it doesn't cross that range, it's really tough for us. 20 EMA and above 300. So SEC is crashing. See, look at this. ICC is coming down and HDFC is going up. So, you know, ah, bank looks dreadful. ICC has to take support here, and if it bounces back, then we have a hope. But as of now, it's doesn't look good because bank trading below 40 to 300 and Nifty also below 20 EMA and below this resistance, taken this resistance for this candle. Doesn't look good, right? Then the premium are also eroding. Risky trade, risky trade. 80. Oh, ICC is crashing. Nifty is going up. That is not a good sign. That is not at all a good sign. So, okay. I've punched at 38, right? We need some support from ICSE. Otherwise it won't work. Bank is moving down. We need some real support from these people, ICSE. And IT is also not supporting us. 60. And trust me, if this breaks down, there will be a good fall, right? So it's if possible, we can exit. Otherwise, we have to take our asset. This is more threatening, guys. It has to bank has to take support from here and go up. Otherwise, no. And ICC is really, really, really making it tough. IT. Look at these two people moving opposite. The ICC has to stop. Only ICC is troubling us as of now. Otherwise, we are fine. Let's wait. ICC is making the journey tougher. I think even, you know, okay, PSU banks, PSU banks, red candle here. Okay, IT, small rejection. We need to leave this range as soon as possible. Otherwise, it's risky. Holding an option buying. If it is a support and if it is not leaving this range for a long time, which means that it is likely to break at some point, so we have to be very careful. uh, for that to happen, ICC has to stop and reverse, and of course supported by some bank, or let's see, one more attempt, nifty trying to go up. If that fails, we have to book our losses. I think my system again crashed. Okay. Two. It's really risky to trade in this small range market. Not that safe. We need more. We need momentum, good momentum to trade in option buying. So it's risky and not getting enough support from bank. That's not fair. Nifty is moving with the help of IT and Reliance. Futures getting towards 200. We need support from bank, otherwise things won't work. HDFC is supporting, but not ICICI. That is the risk. We have taken around 138. So at least 68 it has to reach to hit our target. If it doesn't hit the target, we'll exit based on the price action, right? So it's really risky to hold for in a very short range market, and there is no enough support coming from if you're trying to go up, but bank is in the sell mode, continuous red candles from here, and it's trying to go up, but still pushing down by ICC, and that's not a good sign for us. Rejections. 20 EMA, it's getting towards 20 EMA. The rejection is huge. I think I should exit at CTC, right? Because it's rejecting. Mm, we're not getting enough support from ICC. It's again crashing, and few rejections here and there. It's not good for us. It has to cross that level as soon as possible, otherwise it's gonna break. It's gonna break down. We don't want to see it. So if we feel that we have taken a wrong decision, our decision is not that great, just go for a CTC. Like, what is there to lose? Some brokerage or small amount, that's it, right? If the decision has gone wrong, don't wait for the SL. So that's a point, but not always we can do that, but we'll try to implement that, right? So here what risk is that bank is not supporting, even though it has touched the support, it has to it has to give a good candle, and definitely it has to cross 40 to 300 and about 20 EMA. If that doesn't work, it's risky, and for that ICC has to stop. Huh. Okay, looking on to bank, candles coming in, forming red. Okay, not a good sign at all. Not at all a good sign. So I'm just trailing myself, not happy. 15-point SL trailed towards 10 points because it's gonna break. Yes, yes, it is breaking down, and everybody are triggering that breakdown. 34. Rejecting a bit, but not sure. It's tough, it's difficult. For anything to happen, bank has to reverse from here. If that doesn't happen, nothing is gonna work out. So 10 points, 1000 rupees loss. We'll take it if that happens, right? I mean, HDFC was dragging the market down, and now only HDFC is moving up, and rest everyone is dragging the market down. It doesn't look good for us. 18 Reliance. Some good rejection from that candle. Can we hope? Futures. No, no, no. I think we should exit. Let's see. Anyways, we have trailed till 1000 rupees loss. So it's falling. Might have triggered. It's holding. The premium is holding. Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Let's take the decision. We have trailed the SL to 1000 rupees, basically 10 points. So let's give that to the market if things fail, right? So let's not exit at CTC. Let's not do a manual exit. Let's take it if market hits the SL. Let's leave it. It has to cross this line, right? Otherwise, it's a selling opportunity from here. If anyone watching out there, but if it crosses, then definitely our trend line is still active. Wait and watch. Everybody are in a resistance zone. It's not good to stay here. Bank is coming down. It was the bank that had actually turned the fate of Nifty. Bank coming down just because of IT. I mean ICC. Rest is fine. Okay, what's gonna happen? The chances are that we will hit the SL because of this, ICC coming down. So ICC has to stop. ICC has to stop. Otherwise, we won't be having the hope. It's gonna be a good sell. There is actually a small fight going on there. Where to go? They are deciding upon that. It looks that we are against the trend until and unless the bank gives us a good candle. It is rejecting. It's playing around that range. So basically above 60 we have to go. 60 initially. Later above 20 EMA. And of course bank has to cross this. Still we are in the risk zone. It is absolutely okay to exit at this point. So I'm just thinking about it whether I should go for a CTC or just leave that 10 points to the market. It's a tough decision to make. ACC is again crashing. Crucial candle coming up. Maybe this candle can change the situation on both the side. Let me check whether European markets have been opened. Again rejecting almost at 60 range. Not a good sign. IT supporting. Not at. It says a candle. Not getting here. 57. Reliance ICC has given a good candle, but rest of them are not supporting it. Look at it. Oh, bank is trying to move up, but we're getting negative response from others. It's not at all safe to stay here. Hmm. Futures trying to move up. No support from IT and Reliance. None of other stocks. Only ICC trying to hit 920 and break it. See if that too reverses. This is the last candle for us. We'll definitely hit the SL. Yes, we have booked 1,000 rupees loss. So it's a breakdown. Let's see what this works, how this works, right? Even this is also a trade, but in an opposite direction of ours. Let's see how it works.